Welcome to Fun and Learn with Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. Okay, before learning new things, I am going to ask you, did you wash your hands? Did you say thank you to Allah? Okay, let's say it together. Are you ready? Say it together. Alhamdulillah. Thank you Allah. Alhamdulillah. Thank you Allah. Mommy is home. Alhamdulillah. Daddy is home. Alhamdulillah. Thank you Allah for the blessings on me. Thank you Allah for the blessings on me. I can see. Alhamdulillah. I can hear. Alhamdulillah. Thank you Allah for the blessings on me. Now we will move on to a new sound, that is, let's see who is it. This is okay, kangaroo. Kangaroo is an animal who keeps his baby in his pouch. Okay, it's a pouch in his body. He keeps his baby in that pouch. Okay, and its baby is called Joey. Okay, now kettle, kite. Where do you fly kites? Yes, in the sky. You fly the kites? You like to fly the kites? You like it? Okay. Key. King. King. Kangaroo. Cattle. Kite. Key. Key. Do you have lock keys with you? Your home lock keys? Take care of them, okay? Keep an eye on them. Take care of your keys, okay? Keep them safe. Alright, now we will move on where? We are going to reinforce at words, at words. We have learned a, we have learned t. Both of them makes the sound of at. At. Okay, you have to remember it. At, sat, at, rat, at, mat, at, bat, at, bat, at, hat. We wear it on our hat. Okay, these were at words. All right, we were reinforcing them. Now I will move on where. Yesterday we have learned mama letters. Remember, we are going to reinforce yesterday's letters as well, and we are going to learn new letters too. Okay, let's see. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I. Now these are today's letters and today's sound. We have learned E sound, E insect, E igloo. Remember? E and the mummy is I. Ice cream. I for ice cream. E igloo. I is mummy and E is baby. You have to remember it. Okay. We have learned J sound. J, jeep. Remember? J, our mummy is J. Mummy is J. J, J. Now we will move on another one. We have learned today. Alright. And this is mummy K and this is baby K. Okay. We call it K also. K also. K also, and this is mummy K, this is baby K. Alright? Il. Remember we have learned il? Lemon, lemonade, lion, right? Okay, this is il and this is mummy L. L, lion, il, lion. Alright, now we will move on. Remember mango, monkey, mobile, mouth. Alright? This is baby and this is mummy M. M, Remember 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed? That is the same one. This is in. Remember in? We have learned in newspaper, in net, in nails. Nails. Did you cut your nails? Remember? I told you. This is baby in. This is mummy N. Nest. Who lives in nest? Yes, birds live in nest. Right. Now what is this? Or octopus, or omelette, or olive. This is baby O and this is mummy O. O, octopus or octopus. Alright. Now move on. We have learned pa pizza, pa papa, pa party, pa. So many things comes from pa. This is pa and this is mummy P. P, pineapple. That was all about today's sound and their mummy letters. Okay. I hope you are learning a lot. Isn't it so? You have learned days of the week, months of the year, so many sounds with us. Isn't it so? And you have learned colors, primary colors, secondary colors, and most of the important things, you have learned CVC words, blending of sounds, blending of letters, and they will help you in reading. They are very important. You have to learn that how they will help you in future. All right. Now we are going to learn more, but for that you have to wait till tomorrow for the new episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. See you tomorrow. Bye. Allah Hafiz.